Hello and welcome to SKTV News. You're watching Primetime English News with me, SUCHITRA Rajkumari. The headlines first. Jiri United Committee ZUC convenes meeting in Jiribam ahead of CM's visit. Prepares memorandum highlighting main measures for long-lasting peace in Jiribam. Sajiwa Relief Camp IDPs oppose house listing until after return to native homes, warn of intense agitation and hold authorities responsible for protest fallout. And Good Friday observed across Manipur by Christians with prayers and fasting, remembering sacrifice of Jesus Christ. Now we have the news in detail. Jiri United Committee ZUC convened a meeting in Jiribam ahead of the visit of Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchand and prepared a memorandum highlighting important measures required for ensuring long-lasting peace in Jiribam district. Addressing the media at Helena Hotel, Babupara, JUC Chairman Mutum Maipaksana Mangang said the meeting adopted several resolutions, including conducting census only after implementation of NRC based on 1951 and identification of illegal immigrants. He also stressed the need for completion of houses for internally displaced persons IDPs to facilitate their safe return. JUC further highlighted concerns over restricted movement in certain parts of the district. While noting that free movement is largely possible within Jiribam town, he pointed out that areas between Mongbung and Borobekra remain vulnerable, necessitating enhanced security measures. A proposed establishment of temporary or permanent police posts at main locations such as Jirimuk, Latingkhal, Laisabithol, Boroikhal and Lamtai Khunau to ensure safe movement across the district. The committee also raised issues regarding incomplete repair of Jiri Tipaimuk Road, forcing residents to rely on water transport and affecting law and order. Moreover, ZUC urged the government to upgrade the lone hospital in Jiribam to district hospital to improve health care services. The meeting was attended by JUC convener H. Priyananda, Kokomi convener S. Sainik and IPSA president G. Ibohal Sharma.
Census tawani habagi issue si all India gi oiba India government gi decision oijaraga su Manipur gi oiba situation sida hauji leiba situation si jia kanda ahambada National Register of Citizenship ki NRC si hana tawbira matungda 1951 da BCR oiba adugumba Indigenous people sing protect tawnanaba si hana NRC sina tawbiraga census si tawbiru haiba appeal sini census tawani habagi.
Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchand will undertake a multi-leg visit to Jiribam district and adjoining areas of Assam from April 4th to April 6th, combining administrative engagements, political outreach, and a renewed push for peace building in violence-affected regions. According to the official itinerary, the Chief Minister will travel by road from Imphal and is expected to reach Jiribam around noon on April 4. He is scheduled to visit key installations, including a police outpost and the district hospital, and attend a joint community meeting at New Alipur Naga village. As part of confidence-building measures, the Chief Minister is expected to meet internally displaced persons residing in relief camps on both sides and participate in a community feast involving members of Meitei and Kuki-Zomar communities. On April 5th, Chief Minister Khemchand will lay the foundation stone for an interstate truck terminus and other projects at Churachandpur and Jiribam. The program also includes visit in neighboring Assam with events scheduled in Silchar and Hailakandi districts. Meanwhile, Tatbung Village Authority under Tausim Subdivision of Tamenglong District has urged the Chief Minister of Manipur to reconsider his proposed visit to Laingangpokpi Police Outpost in Jiribam, scheduled for April 4th. In a representation submitted on April 2nd, the authority expressed concern that the outpost is located within Tatbung village under Tamenglong district, alleging it to be an unauthorized encroachment beyond Jiribam's jurisdiction. The authority claimed that the issue dates back to earlier administrative arrangements when policing responsibilities were extended from Jiribam due to inadequate resources in Tamenglong, leading to jurisdictional anomalies. Highlighting prevailing tensions in the area, the authority cautioned that the Chief Minister's visit to the disputed outpost could escalate the situation. It recommended immediate reconsideration of the visit and called for relocation of the police outpost to Jiribam district to address the alleged encroachment. As an alternative, the authority suggested that the Chief Minister may visit Tamenglong Police Outpost at Tatbung village, describing it as one of the oldest Kuki villages situated along the boundary between Tamenglong and Jiribam. The Village Authority Chairman Council VACC of Tausim Subdivision, Tamenglong District, has appealed to Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchand to urgently address and rectify boundary dispute between Tamenglong and Jiribam districts. In a press release, the council highlighted serious administrative anomaly, stating that Laingangpokpi Police Outpost, currently functioning under Jiribam administration, is physically located within Tatbung village under Tausim Subdivision of Tamenglong District. The council termed this as a violation of territorial integrity and opposed any attempt to merge Tamenglong land into Jiribam for administrative convenience. VACC asserted that correcting the boundary and jurisdictional discrepancies would promote lasting peace and administrative clarity in the region. It demanded immediate official recognition of Tatbung and adjoining areas as part of Tamenglong district and called for realignment of Laingangpokpi Police Outpost under Tamenglong authorities. Warning of potential unrest if the issue remains unresolved, the council also urged the government to constitute high-level commission to restore original district boundaries and to halt any administrative interference by Jiribam authorities within Tausim Subdivision. Now, internally displaced persons IDPs staying at Sajiwa Relief Camp have strongly opposed Manipur government's proposed house listing exercise, asserting that such survey should only be conducted after displaced families return to their original homes. During a joint meeting held at the relief camp with members of Campaign for Just and Fair Delimitation, the IDPs expressed concern over the timing of the exercise, which is reportedly scheduled to begin in September. Khoirom Dhamin, an IDP from Ikaw currently residing at the camp, stated that displaced people would not support the initiative under the present circumstances. He urged the government to withdraw the plan, highlighting that thousands remain unable to return to their villages due to the ongoing violence that erupted on May 3 of 2023. He questioned the feasibility of conducting house listing when many displaced families currently lack permanent residences or house numbers. He cautioned that if the government proceeds with the plan, IDPs across various relief camps will launch intense agitation and the authorities will be accountable for any untoward incidents arising from such protests.
Census to be got aboard the young Asingba, Aquina, live camp the labor, Isagi, Yum the Hanjelaga, Isagi, Yum Pum the Lorium Pum the labor Matamda, Isagi Yum the Gi, I get housing listing to you, and I get census Saptaba, Lopum to Sakagi, census to you. Yum the Hanjel Hunting, the census to have say, Aquagi, Labiam Tibo Ogani, Adona State, Amadi central government, Yaragati census, IDP Singer Sibo, Isai Yum the Hanjel Halaga, Isai Yum Pum to the Gi, Isai Yum to the Gi, housing list of census to you, Yam Pazama census to you. Karigumba, Hariba, IDP Singna Pamiba, Masamasaki, Yumda, Hanjalaga, census to you, Hibasiki, Mayota, Sarkan, and Happy Mount of Targati, Lebak Prazamiam, Horaga, Masida Tolapa, Apata Kurimki Daitada, IDP Sing, Singsu, Saru Yaraga, Tungi Manipur, Apaba, Sakopa, Nungaiba, Manipur, Amasemo, the IDP Singna, Tawai Haksangana, Katop Sagan, have welcome.
On the other hand, JFD convener Jitendra Ningomba has expressed serious concern over the challenges faced by indigenous communities in Manipur, alleging that illegal immigrants are intensifying efforts to push their demands, including separate administration. He said the people must remain vigilant and question how long such pressures will continue, especially at a time when internally displaced persons (IDPs) have been living in relief camps for over 2.5 years. He questioned why armed Kuki groups have not been arrested despite alleged involvement in acts of violence. He also sought clarity from the authorities on how the proposed house listing exercise would be conducted, pointing out the plight of IDPs who are currently residing in relief camps without house numbers.
Sing a Simuxida Wariba, Sahi any Makai, whom Sujarakan lady was there. A day Karisunate, illegally immigrant Mayam Sinoduna, Lamdam Sidala, La Harikanda, Maquin Apama put a totally heaven, Makui Apamadicano, Tunganbo, Homeland, Tunganba separate administration, same with Baduna, illegally immigrant Singi, Apamadugi, Hangar Honamadam, Equi Asingba, Hello me Mayam Sing, Cam Queen of Kangi Gaduki, Cam Queen of Wagi Gudra, Manipur lady, but Miam, Aqua, Uncle Yore, Hana Toki wouldn't make up Pogunate, Hana get a Buduna Minaland or Buddha, depends on no Honakuni, Hochik de Quikari, Matokari gave say, Labiribo maps, the Puna Community Matokai, Akoi Santi Bama Mu Comuni, Santi Bamergu Santi lating Santi Namada, Akoi young number sing, or the Bukamusim the Timbagi, appeasement policy, the Madutopiro, young number today, Maduda lady, but constitution, Yadaba, Makoi Pagira Pungira, Adutobi.
Now, Christians in Manipur observed Good Friday, remembering crucifixion of Jesus Christ and recalling sacrifice of Jesus Christ for humanity. Good Friday was marked by prayers and fasting at various churches in Imphal Valley. People also observed Good Friday at Mudding Lane Baptist Church in New Chekon today. Speaking on the sideline, pastor of Mudding Lane Baptist Church, Imphal, Reverend H. Shakpa, highlighted the significance of Good Friday and also expressed prayer for peace, harmony, and forgiveness among the people.
Prabhu Jesus Christ na temang paans na lablay harga boy mu ay bigay pap ubina na ba amasung singdopina na ba amasung maki seng rabat ieduna mamanlay rabat ieduna boy pungsiya se amukan na si rabat digi Ingat habiba hai kinumit hai tare kasi akoy bo pungsi pibiba adu ma sure de Jesus Christ ani adu ngasi Good Friday habase ptv singtungna asyo palang si tawd lay adu ngasi koy man ba church na su madu ba Good Friday asi koy palang tawd lay adu si youth singna preparation yam si su phajana to bidana akoy ngasi phajana ajuki services se koy marilem church su pangdo phangi habse Anmaktada, so Tagat Golona, from Jesus Christ, Hangalina, Magi Agoni, Magi Awaba, Magi suffering, Kulimasi Kalubumatamda, Jisubu, Tagat Pamlete.
People in None district also observed Good Friday, remembering the sacrifice of Jesus Christ. People gathered at churches in the district since morning for prayer and reflective sessions. People also recalled the teaching of Jesus Christ by reading verses from the Bible and by singing holy songs. Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchand held a reception program for Manipur Sub-Junior Sepak Takraw team and congratulated on their achievement in recently concluded 28th Sub-Junior National Sepak Takraw Championship held in Ranchi. In a post on social media account, Chief Minister Khemchand wrote that the remarkable performance reflects the immense talent, discipline, and determination of young sportspersons, bringing pride and honor to the state. While emphasizing on the need to ensure that existing sports policy are aligned with aspirations and capabilities of emerging athletes, Chief Minister Khemchand assured to review the policy framework to ensure it fully supports and nurtures their potential. Chief Minister Khemchand also encouraged the Manipur team and extended best wishes for continued success in all future endeavors. Moirang MLA Thongam Shanti inaugurated a newly renovated community hall Moirang College Gate Laikai today. The floor of the community hall was renovated through MLA Local Area Development Fund. Speaking on the sideline, MLA Shanti reassured his commitment towards development of Moirang constituency, while lauding the unity and cooperation shown by residents of Moirang Jiribam Laikai College Gate. The MLA also appealed for concerted efforts in realizing a progressive Moirang constituency. It is now time for a short break. We'll be right back.
Great opportunity for local operators. SKTV is expanding. Come and be a part of SKTV revolution with high-speed internet, IPTV along with OTT and other benefits. We are building stronger connections through franchising. Become a local cable operator and provide reliable information and entertainment to your neighbors. Unlock your growth with our technology and top-tier service. So if you're looking for exclusive partnership opportunities, then please call us at 700-5259-437 or 897-420-9157.
Welcome back. Uripok Apunbalup UAL and Uripok Nupi Apunbalup UNAL have drawn the attention of relevant authority towards incomplete development works in Uripok area. Speaking to media persons at Imphal Public Library in Uripok Sorbon Tingel, General Secretary of UAL, Hamom Dhruva, expressed concern on incomplete work of rigid concrete road construction in Uripok area. Dhruva further complained that the Langol-Sija road remains in a pathetic condition despite the matter being raised to Public Works Department and Keystone Private Limited multiple times. Speaking further, Dhruva also urged relevant authority to construct proper retaining wall along Nambul River in order to prevent flooding during rainy season.
Regime payment lakada maram wala kanda agoi hai ni jagah sida Uripok ki lambi se mati ama thaba sigum me ama lakchila sida maram wala kanda agoi mati accident thok sida maram wala kanda accident thok ni masi halakwa abadi apni moine lotion ni hari moine ni tai mo ni manung da lotion manung se lakaba Uripok ki lagi chat karna da uji sizo hospital ki amata kai lambi ama lakol ki lambi lambi कोई बंदिशी एक्सचेंज होती है जेकान ने मेरे जोधपुर और गंदा सीजो होस्टल में जो गुदुन मतलब बीचे सीजो शुंचेम सेम दवा अजी सेम करी है यार अगर किस्तो तो कोई पकड़ लग रहे अदो हाई में सब्जेक्ट दवा सिंगु में आगु लगे अदुगा कोई पब्लिक सिटी अवाब है बसी मायू करी बसी तसेगा अतु मतलब दा और लेवल सी एक्सटर्नल मेन चबी रगंदा हाई में प्रो तो बसी जातु मतलब बसी होएगा कोई वो को की मायगे अतु
All Manipur Maitai Pangal Clubs organization Ampako will be organizing a month-long series of public meetings across Manipur from April 15 in areas inhabited by Maitai Pangal community. The meetings aim to deliberate on the perceived degradation of long-standing traditions, customs, and social practices of the community. Speaking to the media at a press conference held at its office at New Jekon, Ampako President Merai Mayum Salamat Ali stated that the historical role of Maitai Pangal community since 1606 across social, political, cultural, and economic spheres need to be revisited and reinforced. He said the initiative on the theme Recalling Our Identity is intended to address concerns over the erosion of identity and values, adding that the first public meeting will be held at Kwakta, where resource persons and religious leaders will address the gathering.
Mitai Pangal sing asina politically, culturally, economically, socially, we give a contribution sing Laura Kiba Taudang sing Ado, Nasigi, Kunmathoi Shuba Chahi Chagi, Chaukotpagi, Kam Tiang Laklaba Matam Masida, Matamdugi, Paipu, Mai Bel sing Aduna Tabiram Bai Koigi, Haunalun Chatnalun Chat, Mayam Hamadi, Koigi, Chanabi Kaito, Adragin Nathaira Pagumba, Gimaonga Malaksanba. masina maram oiraga Manipur khundariba pangal haiba ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯖꯥꯇꯤ ꯐꯨꯔꯨꯞ ꯀꯥꯡꯂꯨꯞ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯃꯨꯠꯈꯤꯒꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯀꯤꯕ ꯐꯥꯎꯕ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯖꯦꯅꯦꯔꯦꯁꯟ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯔꯛꯂꯤꯕ ꯃꯔꯝꯗꯤ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯤꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯃꯐꯝꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯑꯇꯣꯞ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯖꯥꯇꯤ ꯀꯥꯡꯂꯨꯞꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯐꯤꯖꯦꯠ ꯆꯥꯛꯆꯦꯠ ꯆꯥꯛꯆꯥ ꯌꯨꯊꯛꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤ ꯁꯤꯅꯤ ꯍꯧꯅ ꯂꯣꯟꯆꯠ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯑꯁꯤꯅ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯈꯨꯟꯗꯥꯔꯤꯕ ꯄꯥꯡꯒꯜꯒꯤ ꯁꯣꯁꯥꯏꯇꯤꯁꯤꯗ ꯀꯥꯎꯅꯔꯛꯄꯒꯤ ꯇꯟꯐꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯅ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯊꯥ ꯃꯄꯨꯡ ꯑꯁꯤꯃꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯔꯤꯀꯣꯂꯤꯡ ꯑꯋꯥꯔ ꯑꯥꯏꯗꯦꯟꯇꯤꯇꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯊꯤꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯊꯝꯖꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯃꯌꯦꯛ ꯁꯦꯡꯅ ꯈꯪꯍꯧꯅꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯀꯗꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯝꯂꯕ ꯃꯈꯜꯒꯤ ꯈꯟꯅ ꯅꯩꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯊꯧꯔꯝ ꯄꯔꯦꯡꯁꯤꯡꯅꯤ.
A sit-in protest was staged at Kwakta Tera Khongsangbi today as part of the ongoing agitation by Kwakta youths demanding establishment of a nationalized bank branch at Kwakta Bazaar. The protest, spearheaded by Young Kwakta organization YKO along with Gen Z, millennial groups and local students, comes in response to the inaction of authorities even after expiry of a 72-hour ultimatum. Protesters held placards and raised slogans urging the authorities to set up Bank of India branch at Kwakta instead of Moirang. Speaking to the media, YKO General Secretary Anish Ahmed expressed disappointment over the lack of response from authorities concerned despite prior notice. He stated that the agitation was launched as a result of continued neglect and asserted that the protest would persist until their demand for opening the Bank of India branch at Kwakta Bazaar is fulfilled.
Bank of India Kwakta branch Kwakta da purakna bagi ekhona ultimatum tha gi makha tarakpaina makha agitation mathang lakpagi saruga moina ngasi jigoi Kwakta Tera Khongsang gida praja mayam pullaga koi hajik phawba concern authority na traga bank ki mai enam singna officially public statement pi daba hajik phawba da kadai phawba koi gi Kwakta gi bank ki thambagi status kai da leirage habisi ki apun wahang moina ngasi pullaga Tera Khongsang bi agitation tawbani asina part of agitation moina makha ta na dum koi hek Kwakta da bank si purakti phawba koi agitation makha adum chathaki.
Security forces on April 2nd recovered 3 packets of WY tablets weighing approximately 3.5 kilograms from Home Guard Veng area of More under More police station in Tengnopal district. Security forces recovered a significant cache of arms, ammunition, and communication equipment from Dampi Ridge under Churachandpur police station in Churachandpur district on April 2nd. The recovered items included 2 12-bore rifles, 2 front-loaded single-barrel rifles, 1 modified AK-47 rifle, 2 9mm pistols with magazines, and 3 additional magazines of different arms. The operation also led to the seizure of 4 pumpies, 81 live rounds of ammunition of various calibers, 7 12-bore fired cases, 2 bulletproof jackets, 2 walkie-talkies, and pellets of pumpy explosive weighing approximately 1 kilogram. An awareness program on MSME cum Udyam registration drive was held at Sorarel Sabal Community Hall in Bisnupur, Ward number 1 today. The program was organized by District Industry Center DIC Bisnupur with Trade and Commerce Department as implementing agencies under RAMP scheme. Caretaker Chairperson of Bisnupur Municipal Council L. Maniyaima, General Manager of DIC Bisnupur H. Karuna, Caretaker Councillor of Bisnupur Ward number 1 K.H. Memi, and Faculty of MBA Finance Institute of Cooperative Management Imphal Sadanand Dalaishram attended the program. Speaking in the program, H. Karuna informed that registration for Udyam is necessary for individuals who aspire to be entrepreneurs, as it has many benefits in accessing loans from bank and other assistance from government.
Oidam registration drive asi Trade Commerce Industry Department ki makhada implementing agency oidiba aduga nodal officer na Manipur no oidiba aduga organize na akoi gi district industry center Bisempur na tawjabani general manager DIC Bisempur na sum paring nai na chathajarak padu ngachi su mafam asida khoina leibiriba lamdam asigi akoi gi area asida leibiriba entrepreneur singna oidam registration haiba ase akoi gi paida basuni ayada bagi ama tungina akoina paihau hannabagi damakta akoina entrepreneur ama oige haiba taragati udam registration na se paibi ho haiduna mafam asida akoina register tawbaga loinana awareness ka loinana pakthokjabani.
Awareness program on safe usage of LPG gas were conducted at Elangkangpukpi and Langmaydong in Kakching district today. Library and Educational Guidance cum Cultural Organization in association with All Gas Care AGC Manipur State organized the awareness program at Elangkangpukpi Mamang Lekay Library Hall, while Langmaydong Maning Awang Lekay Mayrapaybi organized similar awareness program on safe usage of LPG at Community Hall of Langmaydong YDC Club. Manager of All Gas Care AGC Manipur State Sagolsem Joy Prakash, Field Assistant of AGC Happy Rajen attended the awareness program as resource persons. Book release. A book titled Changing Cultural and Intellectual Perspectives, a Multidisciplinary Approach, was officially released today at a formal function held at the Conference Hall of the Principal's Office, DM College of Arts, DM University. Edited by Associate Professor Dr. Sundari Jiribam and Assistant Professor Dr. Wangjam Pajabi of English Department, the volume comprises 25 research articles contributed by faculty members and scholars from universities across the country. Published by Authors Press, New Delhi, the book reflects a strong commitment to promoting interdisciplinary academic dialogue and expanding intellectual perspectives. The release function was attended by prominent academicians with Dean of the School of Humanities and Principal of DM College of Arts, Professor S. Lanchain Bamaitay, and President of the Teachers Forum, DMCA, Dr. Sarat Sharma, as procedure members. Head of Department of English, Professor M. Rameshwar, presided over the event, and Professor P.H. Sanamaja Sharma presented a detailed review of the book. The program was also attended by faculty members, research scholars, and contributors. Dhanmanjuri University Staff Association organized a day-long tree plantation event in connection with 8th Foundation Day of DM University. Vice Chancellor of DM University, Professor W. Chand Babu, Registrar Dr. R.K. Jotin, Finance Officer Rojendra Kar Nongthomba, and Controller of Examinations T.H. Jayant Kumar, along with other staffs of the university, took part in the tree plantation event. Principal and staffs DM College of Science, DM College of Arts, DM College of Commerce, GP Women's College, and LMS Law College also took part in the tree plantation event. A Basanta Ras performance was showcased at Sri Sri Gopinath Ji Nam Mandir at Ningthau today. The performance was led by Pairembam Kiran Bala and was performed under the guidance of Rajkumar Nimai. The performance of Basanta Ras was organized with the aim to showcase the rich culture and dances of Manipur to the present generation. A Hindu Sammelan will be held at the auditorium of R.K. Sanatambi Vidyalaya Devi in Jiribam district on April 5th. Convener of Hindu Sammelan Samiti Jiribam, Jingangbam Sunamani, has appealed to people to be a part of the Sammelan. Speaking in this regard, Jingangbam Sunamani informed that the program will focus on discussions regarding significance of Hinduism. Transport will also be arranged for people willing to join the Sammelan.
Hindu Sammelan Samiti Jiribam Sinja Lagaduna, Adiba Epi Tamanga, Namajini, Nutri Pumani Tava Matamda, Arkesana Tomi Devi Vitalaya, Vitro Goda, Hindu Sammelan Papu Chagan, Haiga, Hindu Sammelan Sida, Moruela, Jagatoki, Hindu at the Kanana, Kanakanabu Hindu Koi, Adu Marilena, Pamapa, Kamahishina, Pampa, Jiribam, Iram Damsita Labiba, Alamalai, Ribandon. Chelsea Marubam Hakivina. I did some million cities, but I'm Zana Lady Tuna, we are coming to Tambido, Takigawa, some million cigarette, not come with the Canada, the Sendilana, Chekibumba, other watching you. I could put La Azumba, to come in the way up from Javato, I was some million cities in Directuna, I could put a community.
KM Blooming Higher Secondary School's 38th Annual Sports Meet 2026 kicked off today. Principal of KM Blooming Higher Secondary School, Dr. Romen Kumar Mangang, along with staffs and students, carried out torch ceremony. Later, Principal Dr. Romen Kumar Mangang declared the declared the 2-day annual sports meet open. And now the weather report. According to ICAR Regional Center Lamphelpat, state's maximum temperature was recorded at 29.5 degrees Celsius, while the minimum temperature was 22 degrees Celsius. The maximum relative humidity was measured to be 73% in the morning and 54% in the evening. Now, before we wrap up the headlines once again. GD United Committee JUC convenes meeting in Jiribam ahead of CM's visit, prepares memorandum highlighting main measures for long-lasting peace in Jiribam. Sajiwa Relief Camp IDPs oppose house listing until after return to native homes, warn of intense agitation and hold authorities responsible for protest fallout. And Good Friday observed across Manipur by Christians with prayers and fasting, remembering the sacrifice of Jesus Christ. And that is all the news we have for now. Keep watching SKTV News. We have more news coming up at 8.